Did you know that the fall could be the best time to put these perennials in the ground? If you're already looking to kickstart your garden into the next season, take note.
We've got nice warm soil, reliable rainfall, it gets them off and going, and then next spring they're even bigger and better.
Some of the best perennials to plant for color in the fall are the black-eyed Susan or a bright hibiscus. And if you're looking for spring color,
So one is heuchera. Because we're going with color from foliage, it's a wonderful thing to plant now and enjoy early in the season next year.
perennial sage or salvia is also an excellent option as it's a double bloomer.
And my third pick is yarrow. Yarrow is a wonderful plant, same sort of thing as salvia, where it blooms in the early part of the season, lots of different colors available, and then it blooms again as we get into the end of the season too.
And it's not just the color and the weather that are on your side, so is the price tag.
In the end of season, generally everything's on sale, so that's a huge win. You can get perennials into the garden for less money, and the good news is they have time to establish so that they're well further ahead for next year.